conversion. I will be making an I and I will be converting it to T. We need to understand that in this chapter there are two types of questions. As you all are doing, I am giving you all the answers. You are writing in your book, write it neatly first of all. And you need to understand there are two types of questions. One is, if I give you a question like I ask you to write hi, HI, that you have to do with the help of PU and PD command, because on the screen I need it all together. I need one H here in the screen and I need one I here on the screen. So it is completely by using PU and PD you will be making hi. Similarly, today I have shared an example of 13 and 15 also and 11 also. So you will be making 11 like this, you will be making 13 like this. So all the figures like these means you have to make it together on the screen. This will be done with the help of PU and PD. But if the question is that convert H into I or convert I into T, just will be doing converting I into T or any figure in which I have given two figures, but I am clearly asking you that you have to convert this figure to that figure. In that case, on the screen I need only one figure. First I will make I and then I will erase one line, which is by erasing that line that I will be converted to T. So that is a question of conversion. Please do not make mistake during exams. You need to understand when the question is of conversion, we have to use pen erase and pen normal. And by using pen erase and pen normal, we will be converting the same figure to another figure. But if the question is to make hi, to write IT or to write 4C, 4B, 4A, so all these types of questions in which we need to write something on the screen all together, we are not using their pen erase, we will be using PU and PD. So two different types of questions are there. Please do not get confused in that. So now let's start. Today I will be making I and converting that I to T. And as the question you can see here in your book, this is your book and the question is this I will be converted into T, and the logo, your turtle is starting from here. So I will be starting the figure from here. So let's start. I will be taking the turtle to here first because I want to draw from here. So for that what I need to do is I need to use PU and I need to jump the turtle to certain location, more 30 commands. So from here I want to make the T. So I will do PD and then I'll turn the turtle RT90 and I want to draw now like FD. I want to make 100. So this will be the first line. Now I will take BK 50. It will come in the center and I will just do RT90 to turn it towards the right side. Then FD 100, LT90, FD 50 and BK 100. That makes the I. Now the question is, I don't have to write I and T here. As you can see in the book, you can write I and T, but the question in the book is, just look at the question properly. Question in the book is, you need to draw the following alphabets and convert them into the alphabet written in the right side. So question is of conversion. Do not get confused that you are writing both B and A together or you are writing both I and T together. Question is of conversion here. So you will be writing T now by the help of we need to erase this line for making I into T. So let's go back to logo. I need to erase simply this line. Simply this line will be erased and then I will be converted into T. Now to switch the turtle from drawing mode to erase mode, I'll write PE. And simply I have to move the turtle, just like we want to erase some line on your notebook. You have drawn the line, you need to erase it, you need to rub the eraser over the line. Similarly, now the turtle is a eraser here. Turtle is a eraser and it will rub the line. So I will do FD. It was of 100. So I'll write FD 100. So line is erased. And if I hide the turtle, it will be a T. So I have converted I into T, and it was a question of pen erase and pen normal. To make the turtle again in normal mode, I have to write pen normal. Right? Alright.